So now I'm going to go through each of the three cases. So we are starting off with case one, where the denominator are simply two linear factors. So you got two simple fractions. So this will be the two fractions. So you got to decide first. After you decide, you need to make same denominator. You need to make sure you make same denominator with the original fraction. So after you make same denominator, so take a look. So after you make same denominator, so you decide the case first, and then you make same denominator. You can start to compare the numerator. So I'm going to start comparing the new numerator with the original numerator. So this is the process where you compare the numerator. When you compare the numerator, that becomes the identity. So after you decide the case, you will make same denominator. And then now you compare the numerator. So in the comparison, you got two unknown. So usually in case one, the two unknown will be easily found by substitution. So you look at the brackets. How do you make the bracket zero? So for example, x equal to 1 will make one of the bracket 0. So this is the one that will make it into a 0. And that's how you are able to find your A. So there's another values that can make with the bracket 0. So which is a -3. So make sure you sub carefully, or else you will make careless mistakes super easily. So this is the part that becomes a 0. So with your two answers, return it to the case that you already decided. So the final answer will look like this. So when you put it back, right, that's a fraction. So we usually organize it in this format. Otherwise, a fraction in a fraction look a bit messy. So if you are comparing at the stage of comparing, the numerator, right, is all about your identities. So this will be the standard procedure. You decide the case, you make same denominator, then you compare the numerator. So that's the end of case 1.